Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making dark chocolate mint brownies. I think that these thin mint inspired brownies are perfect any time of year, but they're especially great for St. Patrick's Day. The festive green frosting and the hearty chocolate flavor work perfectly for this holiday. When I told my coworker that I had made this recipe, she didn't actually know that you could make brownies from anything other than a box, so I'm here to tell you that it is surprisingly easy to make them from scratch. And this recipe is going to guide you through how to do it. Another great thing about this recipe is that the brownies themselves are just dark chocolate flavor, and you can change that out if you'd like and use milk chocolate powder, but I personally like the dark chocolate flavoring. But the frosting is what lends the mint flavor, so you can change that out for any flavoring you want, making this a very easily customizable brownie recipe. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite Girl Scout cookie? Until next time, keep it delicious. Thank you so much for watching.